Alright, so we're going to be solving area with equations. Basically just means we're going to be working backwards. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at a triangle. So the Hudson High School wrestling team won the state tournament and has been awarded a pennant to hang on the wall. The base of the pennant is 1.5 and it has an area of 2.25 square feet. What's the height? So you're missing the height. So you know for a fact the area of a triangle is A is equal to base times height divided by 2. Well, you're given the A. The 2.25 is the area. So you're going to put 2.25 over here, and you know the base is 1.5, but you're missing the height. So what we're going to do is trying to solve the height. So everything right now is being divided by 2. So we're going to do the opposite and multiply the right side by 2 and the left side by 2. So these two cancels out. So you're going to do 2.25 times 2, which comes out to 4.5. So now you have 4.5 equals 1.5 times the height. Well, the 1.5 is being multiplied to the height that's unknown. So you're going to do the opposite and divide 1.5 to both sides. So you're going to do 4.5 divided by 1.5, which is, ooh, that's a weird 3, is 3. So your missing height is 3 feet. All right, let's try another one. So we're going to do this one together. So it says Renee is sewing a quilt that has contains right triangles. So each quilt piece has a height of 6 and an area of 24. What's the base? So you have the formula A is equal to base times height divided by 2. So the area is 24. You don't know the base, but you do know the height is 6. And you're going to divide by 2. So we're going to have to get rid of this being divided by 2, and you're going to do the opposite and multiply 2 to both sides. So these cancel out. 2 times 24 is 48. So now you have 48 is equal to B times 6. So that 6 is being multiplied, so you're going to do the opposite and divide it. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. So the base of this quilt piece is 8 inches. All right. So now we're going to look at a trapezoid. So the area formula for a trapezoid is A is equal to height base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So here a garden in the shape of a trapezoid has an area of 44.4. So that means that's the area. One base is 4.3, the other one's 10.5, but you don't know the height. So we're going to plug in what we know. So this is 44.4. You don't know the height, but you do know base 1 is 4.3 plus the other base, which is 10.5, all divided by 2. So we're going to get rid of dividing by 2 by multiplying 2 to the right and 2 to the left. So you're going to do 44.4 times 2, which is 88.8. So now you have 4.3 plus 10.5. So you're going to do 4.3 plus 10.5 is 14.8. So now you have 88.8 is equal to the height times 14.8. Well, since that 14.8 is being multiplied, you're going to do the opposite and divide it. So you're going to do 88.8 divided by 14.8, which comes out to 6. So the missing height of this trapezoid is 6. All right. Let's do another one together. So again, this one's going to be a trapezoid. So the area formula for a trapezoid is this. So it says the bases of the trapezoid are 18.8 and the area is 52. So this is your area. So it means you have 52 is equal to h, which you don't know, plus 18 plus 8 divided by 2. So you're going to multiply 2 to both sides. So 2 times 52 is 104. And then you're going to do 18 plus 8, which is 26. And then you're going to divide both sides by 26. So you're going to do 104 divided by 26, which is 4. So the missing height of this trapezoid is 4 feet. All right, next one. You can write and solve real-world problems. So John and Mary are using rolls of fabric to make rectangular stage curtains for their play. The rectangle piece of the fabric, each roll measures 2.5 by 15. The area of the curtain is 200 square feet. What is the least number of rolls? So what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of each roll. So the dimensions of each roll is a 2.5 by 15. So you're going to do base times height. So I'm going to do 2.5 times 15. So you're going to do 2.5 times 15, which is 37.5. So each roll covers an area of 37.5 feet squared. Well, you want to do a total of 200. So you're going to take 37.5 and divide it into 200, which comes out to 5.33. Well, when you go to the fabric store, you can't buy 0.33 of a roll. So you're going to have to round that up. So you're going to buy a total of 6 rolls of fabric to do the curtain. Okay. A parallelogram shaped in the field and park needs sod. The parallelogram has a base of 21.5 and a height of 18. The sod in the pallets is sold in 50 square meters. How many pallets of sod will you need to fill? Okay, so we're going to find the area that they need to fill. So you're going to do base times height. So you're going to do 21.5 times 18. So you're going to do 21.5 times 18, which is 387. So that means that they had to fill the area of 387 meters squared. Well, each pallet covers 50 square meters. So you're going to divide 50 into 387, which is sum to 7.74. But you can't buy 0.74 of a pallet, so you're round it up. So you're going to need 8 pallets to fill this field. All right, thank you guys.